Hi everyone, welcome back to Ella's ESL English. Today's lesson is all about idioms. Now these idioms that I'm going to teach you today all contain the word hit. And I'm going to make a number of idioms that have a word in common, but the first one in this series is this one. Now I know idioms can be tricky because they're not always obvious, the meaning, but we use idioms a lot in English, so if you can even learn just a few, it will help make your English sound a lot more conversational. All right, so let's get started with the first in my series, idioms with the word hit. 5 idioms with hit. Hit the roof. To hit the roof. So this idiom just means to suddenly become very angry. So for example, when I told Dad I damaged his car, he hit the roof. The coach hit the roof when the players showed up late to practice. Emma hit the roof when her computer crashed and deleted her assignment. So number 1 is hit the roof, to become very angry. Number 2 with hit is hit the sack. To hit the sack. This simply means to go to bed or to go to sleep. So for example, I'm really tired, so I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. After the long flight, she just wanted to hit the sack. You look really tired, you should probably hit the sack. So hit the sack is to go to bed or go to sleep. Number 3 is hit the books. To hit the books. So this one just means to study hard. So for example, I need to hit the books if I want to pass my exam. I can't go out tonight. I need to hit the books for my English exam. If you want to pass the driving theory test, you'll have to hit the books. Hit the books to study hard. Number 4 is to hit the road. Hit the road. This just means to leave or to start a journey. So you could be at someone's house and it's time to go and you could just say, oh, I really need to hit the road. For example, it's getting late, so I should hit the road before the traffic gets worse. After saying goodbye, she grabbed her bag and hit the road. I usually hit the road around 7 a.m. to go to work. Hit the road is to leave or start a journey. And the last one, number 5, is hit the spot. To hit the spot. This means to be exactly what is needed or wanted. So we can use it in this way. That cold drink really hit the spot after my run. The massage I had yesterday really hit the spot. My back feels so much better now. That strong cup of coffee this morning really hit the spot. So it just means to completely satisfy you. Hit the spot. Okay, so let's review the 5 idioms with hit. Number 1 was hit the roof, which means to become really angry all of a sudden. Number 2, hit the sack, just means it's to go to bed or to go to sleep. Number 3 was hit the books, which means to study hard or to study. Number 4, we had hit the road, which just means to start a journey or to leave a place. And finally, we had hit the spot, which just means to be really satisfied, to satisfy something, to hit the spot. Okay, so we've got those 5 idioms with hit. I'm now going to present in a conversation so you can hear them in context.
Wow, I can't wait to finally hit the road tomorrow. A week at the beach is exactly what I need.
Same here. But before we relax, I really need to hit the books tonight. I've got one last online test to finish for uni.
Don't stay up too late. You'll want to hit the sack early so you're fresh for the drive.
True. Oh, by the way, did you try that new smoothie place in town? Their mango smoothie totally hit the spot after my run this morning.
Nice. Let's grab one on the way. But please, don't forget the booking confirmation this time. Remember last year? The hotel clerk lost our reservation and you almost made me hit the roof.
Okay. Lesson learned. Everything's saved on my phone this time.
And now, here are the same idioms, but this time in a story.
Jake and his friends had been planning a weekend camping trip for weeks. On Friday afternoon, they packed the car and got ready to hit the road. After hours of driving, they finally reached the mountains and set up their tents. That evening, after a long hike, they cooked sausages over the campfire. The hot food really hit the spot after such a tiring day. But when Jake accidentally knocked over the cooler and spilled all the drinks, his best friend hit the roof, shouting that now they'd have nothing cold to enjoy. To calm things down, they decided to play cards by the fire. Later, exhausted from the day's adventures, everyone agreed it was time to hit the sack. The next morning, Jake joked that after the trip, he'd need to hit the books again, since he had completely forgotten about the homework waiting for him at home.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed learning 5 idioms with HIT. Remember, this is the first in a series of 5 videos that all contain a common word. So look out for my next one. And thanks again for watching.